You, eh?
I thought you don't used to be afraid of anything.
Oh, why now?
Why you still a parrot?
How far now?
I'm good. I finished arranging the firewood, so I'll be taking them to the market tomorrow.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
I'm heading home, so I said let me come and check on you.
All right, I'll meet you up. Let me just finish pumping this tire. Eh?
No problem.
Later now. Micheal, you want to buy? What is coming? Pascal, you know what?
What?
I do think you should come and start learning this vulcanizing job. It's for men and not for ladies.
You're saying the truth, but that would be difficult for me now. Because, you know, you are the one doing this job, you know, when our father was alive. So it's better for you. Huh? You've learned how to do it well. I can't do it well.
You're a man and you can't go around fetching firewood round the whole village and you start selling firewood. Doesn't make any sense. Why don't we just come together to my shop?
Jamal, leave that one. Do the one you're doing. Let me do mine. I'm enjoying it. Huh? I'm doing it well and I'm enjoying it. Don't focus on your own.
Well, means you need to fetch enough firewood to make more money. You have to fetch more firewood to sell so you can make enough money.
Don't worry, I'm doing my best. Very soon I'll improve when I make the money. Okay?
It's okay. No problem. I'm just saying because since the demise of our parents, we've been suffering. So we just need to put heads together, make more money, and then one of us can go to the city, get a job, and so we can leave this wicked village.
I have that one in mind. Well, it's just that there's no money now, and none of our uncle cares. Yeah, but no problem. We'll make it.
All right. We'll just put our hope in God. We trust God.
Wow.
I hope you are enjoying.
I'm enjoying it, but I don't know why you put 2 minutes here. Yeah?
Pascal.
Are you giving me 1 minute?
See what I'm saying now?
Yeah, I like meat now.
And that is why we need to make more money. Huh?
Amadi!
Wise one,
Amadi!
wise one.
You and I like one blood. Because you patronize me often. Because of that, I will give you something. Take this. Put it in their phones. Wait and see the results.
Thank you, wise one.
You're welcome.
Hoping that this one will work this time around.
Amadi, I've
Wise
never
one.
given you medicine that does not work.
But the other one failed. That is the reason I repeated this.
Because you did not use it the way I instructed you, Amadi. This one should not be like that. Try and put it in their food. When you start working, prevent them from being cured. Otherwise,
Wise one,
Amadi,
I should be on my way.
Amadi, Arabaka, Apianata, you must drop something.
Wise one, I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me.
It's good.
Thank you.
Pascal, come. I can see you're tired. Why don't you come inside and take something?
That would be good, ma.
Then come inside and eat.
But I don't have money. I don't want to spend this little money you paid me.
No, nah, I'll not take any money from you. Are you not my customer again?
Thank you.
Let's go inside, okay?
Thank you.
What is wrong with you? Sorry, what is wrong with you? Can you talk? What is wrong? Ijoma, good evening.
There's nothing good about this evening.
Why then are you patrolling the entire village and brandishing torchlights by this odd time of the night?
Because my brother is missing. I've searched him everywhere in this village in vain. I've not seen him.
You will not cease to amaze me. You are convinced that Amadi Eze is now the keeper of Pascal. In other words, maybe he kidnapped Pascal. Or in other words, maybe he hid him. Well, your question said, did I see him around? I did not see him around.
Uncle Amadi, I've searched everywhere in this village.
And he must be in my house. Huh?
Yes, because he comes to your house to run errand for you.
Okay. And because of that, you are now sure that I'm the keeper of Pascal, your brother. Wrong. This is the wrong place. You are in the wrong place. Your brother is not here. I did not see him for this entire day at all.
Oh God, what is this? What is this? If I don't see my brother in this village, if I don't see him, this village will not contain all of us. I will plunder this village. After you people have ostracized my parents, now it's my brother is missing. Now you don't want to bring my brother out. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this. If I don't see my brother, now everybody will know that I am an iron lady. I'll go and look for my brother. Let me not see him. Let me not see him.
So, you are accusing me to my face that I killed your parents, then kidnapped your brother, and what again? And because of this, you will burn down this entire village. Anyway, Ijoma, continue to be the little girl you are.
This is why you are so restless. What is the matter?
Big problem. That is a problem. Serious one.
What problem? I have done it as you directed me. So what problem again?
We are yet to see his dead body. And it's very important.
Amadi, when did you turn into vulture that feed the dead bodies? Huh?
Wait. You don't understand what I'm talking about, Angela. You don't understand. Yes, I hope no one saw him before he died.
I thought you are here to complete my balance.
Your money is not the problem, woman. I'm talking about the business proper. I told you that this thing must be holding sacrosanct. I told you nobody must know. There must be no traces to that. That's what I'm asking you. Did anyone see him before he died?
You are getting me confused here, Amadi. So, can we go inside so that I'll understand what you mean? Maybe if you have to complete the money first.
Then come and take your balance. Then tell me what I must know about this.
Let's go.
Today is the third day that Pascal is missing without any trace. Only to go to the market and sell firewood. He never returned.
Let me ask you. Have you gone to the market to to inquire about him?
I did. I went round the market to search for him, but to no avail.
Are you sure he's not following any of his friends home?
Pascal is not such a person.
Okay. But you never can trust the young men of these days. They are very unpredictable.
Pascal does not have any friend. He doesn't mingle. But my mind is telling me that he has been kidnapped.
No. Cholo, before you say that, I refuse to accept this. Listen. Auntie, let me tell you this. I said, no, okay, I don't know. I am an elder. I am not supposed to stay at home and watch the she-goat deliver in Istita. By tomorrow, there is a place I will take you to. Yes, if we reach there, we will now discover the mystery behind Pascal's sudden disappearance. Did you hear me? Huh? Then cry no more. Wipe your tears. It is now. Oh, okay, I can remember. You know, go on. Oh, and the zook.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can deliver it.
What is it? What is it?
Hold on. I'm completing it on myself. It is over. The Lord has said it all.
Biko Prophet, can you break it down for us to understand? Speak to us in a language we will understand. Biko.
Amadi, the ground has taken what belongs to it. Yes.
Meaning?
How? How is that possible?
Meaning, Biko.
He has gone to the land of no return.
What?
Meaning, how? How? Meaning what?
What did he tell you people when he was leaving the house that day?
He did not tell us anything. He didn't say anything. He just went to sell firewood, that's all.
Huh?
He's dead and buried.
By who? Who killed him? Huh?
Someone that buys firewood from him, she has already used him for rituals.
Hi, God.
Prophet, please check very well. Check very well.
Because he sells firewood for different people. So how do we know the person that used him for ritual? Please, Prophet, you have to help us.
Pascal is a funny boy. He has no enemies.
Yes.
I don't believe. I'm not doubting you, Prophet, but please check very well. Check very well.
Please.
Check. Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere.
You may now go home and mourn your late brother. If you decide to carry on the case, you may not get the victory.
How? Who must have done this to us? Who must have done this to us? Who did Pascal offend? That boy has no enemy at all. He's a very funny boy. Everybody likes him. Prophet Biko, check your off, check here.
God. Chimo. Pascal.
It's okay.
Pascal, finish.
I told you the last time you came here that I have successfully executed him. He's no more alive.
Up to now, there is no proof to his death because his corpse is not yet seen anywhere. Yes, I believe you. Are you hearing me? Because even my prophet said so, that he's no longer alive. But where is his corpse as the sole evidence of that work? Well, it's not why I'm here. Not here, not why I'm here. I've come for another business.
What business?
I need his sister also executed. I need her also to give way. I don't want anyone to obstruct me in this mission. Yes, I want her dead.
Ijeoma, the Falconizer.
Yes, so that no one will obstruct me or stop me from taking possession of all those properties.
Will I also work on that one too?
And I will pay you her something well if you do it with every conviction. Yes, if you can do it convincingly, I will be glad to pay you.
Okay, I will do that, but you have to finish the first assignment before going into another one.
Talk less. I have your money with me. Take, and count it later. Leave it and count it later. Listen to me. Let's talk business. Now listen to me. Ijeoma is the main target. She is the most stubborn. And she stands on my way. So I want her removed, deleted away from this world. So I can just walk into my possessions, possess them, and I will do you well.
You don't have problem on that one at all. Just trust me. You know what I can do.
Ah.
Yes.
Do I trust you?
You have to.
Do I bank on you?
You have to.
Don't fail me.
I will not.
Look, Angela.
Yes.
I am dangerous to some extent. If you fail this task, you will not be happy.
Trust me. I will do as you said.
Deal then. Deal.
Please, eat, okay? Everything will be fine. Just eat.
How did I get to this place?
We will discuss that when you fully recover. Please.
Let's discuss it now, please.
Don't worry. All is well. Eh? Just eat, please. Eat. Take one more spoon. Please.
I'm okay.
Okay, eat meat now. This is grass cutter. Huh?
I'm okay.
Hey. Okay. Let me go and get you water, okay?
I don't even know what I am still doing in this world. We have been rejected and thrown away by the people and our relatives. Death has taken my parents away from us. As if it is not enough. The only hope I have, Pascal, my only brother and relation, just died mysteriously. Death, why are you still keeping me? Why am I suffering like this? Maybe God does not live anymore, because if he is, let him bring back my brother. Oh, death. What have I done to deserve this suffering? God. God, I am talking to you. If by evening tomorrow you did not show up, my brother,
I will have no choice than to sneak out of this village and drown myself into Ajali River and say bye-bye to this wicked world.
Trying to make it leave it. We no offend anybody.
I want to go home. That's the only thing I want you to do for me now.
But I would want you to recover fully before going back to your village.
You won't understand. I've been here for some weeks now. I want to go home and see my sister. I don't know how she will be feeling now.
But don't you think it's better we send for your sister to come here, to come see you, instead of you going to your village now? You know, the person who poisoned you is still there. Now, when he or she sees that you survived that one, there's the possibility that he or she will strike again. Huh?
I've taken my corrections. Such thing will never happen again. I've learned how to use law spoon when dealing with the devil.
It's all right. I will make arrangement for that. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
We are only hustlers trying to make it leave it. We know offend anybody.
Pascal, my brother. There are 3 kinds of people in this world. People that loves you. People that hates you. And people that don't care. I belong to the first class of people that loves you. And I will continue to love you even as you are dead. And the second class of people are people of this community that hates us so much. It's not conducive for me to live in this world all alone, Pascal. The third class of people are the ones we meet. The ones that don't care. Bye-bye, my darling brother, my only brother Pascal. Rest in peace. Till we meet to part no more.
Ijoma, stop these talks and feelings. Must you cry this long? Since your brother died, you became like this. Don't even care about your life. Why not move ahead with your life? Life goes on. Eh? You're a woman. Go ahead with other business, whatever thing you are doing. Go ahead with your business. And allow the dead where he is. Please. God knows best. Biko. Oh, stop crying. Nothing is late yet. Stand. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
We are only hustlers trying to make it leave it. We no offend anybody. Omelo nyanyi mejolo chacha. If I will and one more. Oh, for one more. A begging no. I didn't Trying to make a living, we no offend anybody. Oh, mellow nyanyi me jolo cha cha. If I will and one more, oh, for one more, a begging no. I didn't need anywhere more. Farewell, let go one more, oh, for one more, a begging no. Apalele kana kwasi, yeah.
How did you get?
All is well.
Did you see my sister to explain to her what happened to me?
I saw your sister, and she sends her regards.
Regards. Why would she send her regards instead of following you to come and see me here? Huh? Uncle, is that something you're not telling me? Is my sister okay? Is she sick? She's still alive? Uncle, talk to me now.
Calm down. Biko. Wait.
What happened?
The truth of the matter is that your sister was nowhere to be found. And nobody knew her whereabouts. Nobody knows her whereabouts.
I know it. You've killed my sister since I couldn't get me.
It's okay. I'm sure she's somewhere.
You killed my sister since I couldn't get me.
Don't talk like that. I'm sure she's somewhere. She's
You
alive.
killed my sister since I couldn't get me.
Oh. My prophet, please, you must help me. I've been battling with this illness for a long time now. Battling to survive. Prophet.
Amadi, you brought this illness upon yourself. I warned you before taking to that journey. But you couldn't listen to me, Amadi. Amadi, the person you proclaim dead is fully alive and healthy. Amadi, your death in my temple is not acceptable. The only option left for you now is to take you back to your house and wait for the Lord. Nana!
Wise one. I'm here.
Nana, gather your colleagues and takes this body to his house and dump him.
Okay, wise one.
We are only hustlers trying to make a living. We no offend anybody. Omwelo nyanyi mejolo chacha. Hey, fawele one more.
Ijoma! Ijoma! Ijoma. Ijoma, Ijoma. Ijoma. Ijoma! Ijoma. Ijoma, where are you? Ijoma! Ijoma, where are you, Ijoma? Ijoma, you can't leave me here all alone. You can't leave me alone in this world, Ijoma. Ijoma, where are you, Ijoma? Ijoma, where are you? Ijoma. Uncle. Ijoma.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Ijoma.
Don't worry. Hmm? We'll come back again to check.
Ijoma,
It's
you can't leave
okay.
me alone.
Oh, it's okay now. It's okay.
Ijoma.
Oh, what is keeping you people now? Uncle, please come out now. I'm traveling far distance, so. Uncle, the journey is far.
Where to all be?
Uncle, the journey is far.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. So, you're ready to go? Jude.
Uncle.
Pascal is my son. Okay? I beg you. Take good care of him. Anything you do for him, it is me you are doing it for. Let me go.
Uncle, you have told me this before. And you know I will never disappoint you. Why bringing it up again?
It's never too much.
Uncle, let Pascal enter the car. Let's
It's
go.
never too
Uncle,
much.
the journey is far. Please.
Pascal.
Okay.
Jude here. This is my brother, but he's a son. Okay? He's going to take good care of you. But in the event that he does something that didn't go down well with you, just text me and I will handle it. Okay?
Okay.
Pascal.
Good afternoon.
Pascal, how are you?
I'm fine.
Did anyone look for me?
You just said Chief Okenwa, who came to ask of the new products if they are ready.
But they are here already.
Yes, I told him. He said he'll come back later.
All right. When you are done with what you're doing, okay, sample the whole new products so our customers will know we have new arrivals.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Ijoma, this your mood will not help. You have to brace up and follow the situation had it come. Listen, your brother is dead. And you can never see him again.
I've heard you. But the thing is, I don't even know where to start from. At this point, I am confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know how this vulcanizing work will help me as a woman. If my brother was alive, I mean, we should have put heads together to make some money. But see me, I don't know what to do right now.
Ijoma, I've told you times without number that you should forget about the past and move on. Listen, if you continue like this, I doubt if you're going to make it in this town.
It's fine, I've had you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all you do for me.
It's okay. Listen, this organizer work might not really be a good work for a woman. But since this is the only threat you know how to do, keep it up until God says otherwise, okay?
You see, it's really difficult to see good humans like you. Despite I don't even know you too well. But see what you have done for me. You gave me accommodation. You're feeding me. You're doing everything for me. How do I thank you? Thank you so much.
Oh, no, you don't have to do this. You don't need to kneel down. I am not God.
Thank you.
Stop it. Just get up. Stop it. Stop it.
Thank you.
No, you have to stand up. Stand up this minute, please. Listen, I am not God. You don't have to kneel down for me, okay? Your customer is here.
Yeah.
All right, see you some other time. Bye, be good, okay?
Madam, fast now. They hungry now. Which kind thing be this one? I don't know, say I dey hungry. Eh? I don't work tire. Which kind nonsense? You know how many work I don't do today? Just dey waste my time.
Am I dreaming? Why is Pascal's ghost roaming about the city? My God, please, kindly allow my late brother's corpse to rest in peace. He is not the cause of his own death. I loved him dearly. If his death can be reversed and he comes back, I will forever be happy.
Hi, girl.
Why are you jumping as if you step on a snake?
You will not understand. You won't understand at all.
I won't understand. So tell me, what is it again this time?
I saw him. I saw his ghost.
Who is that?
I saw my late brother's ghost. I saw Pascal's ghost. He didn't see me. I don't know. I'm just...
It's impossible. Girl, I put it to you that it is just an imagination. Dead people don't roam the earth. Your brother is dead and gone. Yes. I mean, I don't believe in the saying that dead people still go about roaming the earth. I don't believe. I don't have that kind of belief.
Exactly. I don't believe, but now I have no doubt. Can you imagine? Like, I don't know what's going on. Hey, what is it?
Hey! Hey, Joma. Hey! Please, I have to sit down and laugh very well. Let me look for where to sit, please. So that I can laugh very well. Hey! Joma.
You don't seem happy. What is the problem?
I am.
Pascal, I know you too well. I know that something is eating you up. Don't you like the shop or what?
No, it's not that. I told you not to open the shop. Let me be staying in your own shop until I further my education. It's very important to me.
Pascal, listen. You can still be here, you can still manage here, and still further your education. There's nothing bad in it. Listen, I want to employ a new assistant for you. Somebody that will be here permanently to manage the shop with you.
Okay.
How about that?
Good. Thank you very much.
All right, we will discuss about your studies. Let's just go inside, okay?
Ijoma. 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 Ijoma, why were you ignoring my call? You even left the house without telling me.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. It's just that a lot is going through my mind. Like, I'm thinking too much. I don't know what's happening to me.
You're thinking?
Yes.
Thinking about what? What are you thinking about, Ijoma?
I need to make a change.
A change? Oh, you want to change your business?
No. It's not about business. I think my suffering has to do with my name.
How do you mean?
Since I was born into this world and given the name Ijoma, nothing good has ever happened to me. Everything about me is a disaster. My business, everything has crumbled. I don't know. I'm just... Oh, God.
It's okay. I understand you now. So, what name would you like to bear? Since you want to be happy. You want to be happy, right? So, what name would you like to bear?
Blessing.
Without even thinking about it. Blessing. Okay. Blessing you shall become from today. Are you happy now?
I'm happy. It's just that one more thing. I want to be part of your business. In fact, I want to join your business. You know, now that I have decided to change my name, I want everything around me to change. I want my business to change. I want the way I dress to change. Please, help me. I need you to help me, please. Eh?
Oh, my business, you mean?
Yes, please don't say no to me, please. Help me.
You're not doing bad at all.
Okay.
What of those clothes I ordered for? Have they brought them?
Yes, and I have sampled them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Truth. What of the sex girl we discussed about? Is it possible for her to start next week?
No, she's starting tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And for your school arrangements, everything is completed.
Oh, thank you.
But I'm still wondering, how are you going to combine schooling and trading? How?
Don't worry, I'll do my best. I'll be going to school and do this one too.
This one is already tested and trusted.
Yes, I can see, going to school while doing this one too.
But there is a day that says that you cannot serve two masters at a time.
I'll try my best.
But this one is tested and trusted. From what I'm seeing here, you are doing pretty well. All right.
I'll do my best.
All right, the ball is in your court.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ijoma, I've heard what you've said. But I need to have a second thought about it. Because my business is not what a fearful woman can embark on.
Please, introduce me and leave the rest. There's nothing I haven't seen in this world.
Ijoma, I want you to go and sleep over our talk tonight, while I also will sleep over it, because I wouldn't want us to become enemies.
No, it's not going to be possible. Look, I promise you that I will serve you and work for you with all my heart. We can never be enemies, trust me.
Ijoma, do you know what?
What is it?
People call me bad names. I want you to think. Think about this. You have a whole 1 week to think about this if you'll be happy when people call you those bad names. How are you going to feel when they call you those bad names?
Of course, I am used to people calling me a bad person right from when I was in the village. But look, at this point, I do not care. I cannot
afford being broke. Look, so far, this is going to put food on my table. I don't care. I can do anything at this point. I can even kill to make money. Please help me. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Good night.
Honestly, I never knew she has come to the city and pick up the organizing work.
Yes, I do see her at times. But I never knew you know her.
She's my sister. Both of us were struggling together when we were forbidden in our village after the death of our parents. She now continued the organizing work, which is our father's business. And me, I started fetching for her wood to sell in the village market before I was nearly killed by my enemies. And everybody in my village thought I was dead. Even up till now, they never believed that I'm alive. When Uncle Njoko now took me back to the village, I couldn't find anyone there. Couldn't find her too. And that made me, suspect that maybe she has gone. But thank God, she's not. If not, I don't know.
Yeah. It's all in the past. Yes, everything happened for a reason. Yes. And
anytime I remember that, it makes me feel somehow. If not you and Uncle Njoko, I don't know. By now, I would have been a dead person.
yeah, everything happened for a reason. I think we should find a way to let her know that both of you are still alive.
Yes. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We give thanks to God.
To God be the glory.
Yeah.
I don't know why Pascal's ghost is following me around. Why?
It is not what you think. If you're really sure that you've seen him more than twice, then he's not dead.
Are you telling me what I know? Look, there's no amount of your conviction that will make me believe that Pascal is still alive. Do you know how many years it has been?
How many years? I asked. How many years, Ijoma? Do you know his gravesite? Were you at his funeral?
God. He died and his corpse is nowhere to be found till date. I went in shock when I heard about Pascal's death. It almost killed me.
Okay, I understand how you feel. I think I will have to help you trace him to know if he is dead or alive.
No, I don't think that will be necessary. I don't have any business with a ghost. Never.
I understand you perfectly well. Listen, when next you see him, summon courage. Yes, stand him face to face. If possible, scoop some sand and pour it on him. Or better still, water. Pour him water. In that way, you will know if he is dead or alive. Yes, that is the best option.
Well, the God that I serve will not allow me to come in contact with Pascal's ghost again. You should just go to the person that killed him. Why is it frustrating me? Why is it? I don't know, I'm just miserable.
I understand how you feel. Calm down, girl. Ijoma, take it easy on yourself.
Put yourself together, okay? We'll see to it.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. Thank God. Sir, do you want to pump your tire?
No, I came to see you. Please, can we go somewhere cool and discuss?
To see me?
Yes.
Sir, please, you can't, there's no, let's discuss whatever we want to discuss. Let's discuss it here. There's no need for you to see me. Besides, I don't know you now.
All right. If you insist, at least can we sit?
Okay.
That was how it all happened. Pascal is fully alive.
So where is he?
He's in school.
School? I thought you brought him to the city to learn trade.
Yes, I brought him to learn trade, but along the line, he decided to go to school.
Which school is he now?
He's studying law in the university.
He lives over there?
No, he goes from house.
Okay. It's fine. I've heard you, sir. I've heard you. When I see him, I will confirm what you've told me. Huh?
All right, I have to be on my way. I will let him know that I met with you.
Okay, sir. Sir, please, where do you stay?
I stay in Sky Estate. When you enter the estate, the second street by your right, number 3 Iheme Street.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Take care.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
All right.
My dear, with what that guy told you, it is obvious that Pascal is still alive. Remember, I also told you that Pascal is not dead. So, tell me, when is he coming?
Well, I have been battling with myself to be convinced that Pascal is still alive. I mean, how is that possible?
Then close that chapter and wait for him to come to your workshop again.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Okay, I beg to go to sleep. I'm so tired.
Vienna,
Uh-uh.
I finished considering what you told me about your business. I now have the heart. I have a very strong heart right now to put food on my table. Please.
Ijoma. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
3 times. I can see you have the heart of a man. I am coming. Wait for me. What is this?
That's a gun. What will a woman be doing with a gun? I don't get it. I'm staying with a gun owner in the same house. How is...
If you don't look well, you will never see beyond your nose.
Pascal! It's me! It's me! It's me! It's Pascal!
Rape. Hey!
Now you getting married, and which man has...
Which man? I found my brother Pascal. Hey!
Your brother?
Yes!
How did it happen?
I was busy at the workshop. Suddenly, I saw Pascal, and then I ran inside. I did as you instructed. I grabbed a bucket of water, vroom! I poured on his body. I started observing. I started watching. He didn't disappear. And then, wow, I grabbed him! I grabbed him! My brother is alive! Pascal is alive! Pascal is alive! Ow! Hey.
I'm happy that you're happy.
I'm so excited.
But I told you he's not dead. Since you people didn't find his corpse.
Yes, but the annoying part is he couldn't even wait for us to talk. He was so in a hurry to leave. Like my brother is alive.
At least now you can go back to your business.
Which business?
And concentrate very well on your business.
Which business?
Your business, you know your business.
I'm so happy. I'm happy.
Let me have my business.
Which business? You're not going to have your business. Come here, my brother.
So that very day, I went to save firewood. And I was so tired. Very, very tired. And the woman offered me a plate of food. And after eating that food, so I started, walking back home. On my way back, I just, fell down. I couldn't understand what happened again. I couldn't remember anything. The next thing, I found myself in another man's house. Yes, by the time I came back home, everywhere was deserted. And I make inquiry to find out where you are. I couldn't get any reasonable answer. I thought you were dead.
I never knew you are still alive. Well, I heard that you are now studying at the university.
Yes. It's Jude.
Jude is kind. He offered me to do business with him and even gave me his shop. But I told him that I would prefer education before the business. He said no problem. So he promised to take care of my education. Then after that, I will still take over the shop. Yes. He's a nice guy. He's a nice man.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
So how are you doing?
I'm fine. Well, I've always knew that since you came into this world, you've been a lucky child. So
And I'll be rushing back to school now. You know, I have exam around 11:45. So later I will see you, okay? Yes?
Hey, brother,
Thank you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
happy.
I will see you later.
Hey, brother.
Okay, eh? When I come back later, we'll discuss about your business.
Okay.
No problem.
All right, brother.
What is it again?
I'm just considering what my brother told me to do.
Wishes?
He wants me to manage his business.
I see. Manage his business while he goes to school, right?
At least I will not have to be pumping tires. Besides, he's my blood brother too.
How can a full-grown lady like you go into worshipping your little brother? Girl, use your brain. Use your brain.
Is anything wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong with that. And at the same time, everything is wrong with it. Since you made up your mind to join our threat, and I've long introduced you to some of our members, I would suggest you start up the threat at once.
Just calculate everything and tell me how much. Because I'm no longer interested in this vulcanizing business again.
I have calculated everything. It's 26,000 naira. But what I have here is 15,000.
It's fine, no problem. When are you giving me the balance?
That should be by next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, don't fail me. Please. Don't fail me.
Don't worry.
I don't want to hear stories.
Don't worry. Okay.
I won't be happy.
What happened? This one you're not on uniform. Is there no work today?
Brother, we are on strike.
Yes.
Strike?
Yes.
I had left you. On strike?
Yes.
Ah.
So how is school?
Fine. As you can see, I'm just coming back from there.
Okay.
And you? How are you?
We thank God.
That's nice.
Just sit down.
No. I'm in a haste. I just came to, find out what you think about what I told you last time.
About what?
About taking care of my shop.
Oh, okay. Yes, I still want to give it a second thought. It's not easy to manage something you have never done before. But no problem. Since you have a sales girl, I can think about it.
Well, I'm in a haste now. You can think about it. Let me just head to where I'm going. Later we discuss about it, okay? We'll talk about it. Just take care of yourself.
All right. Bye.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You asked me to come.
Yes, sit. First of all, how is your lectures going?
Very well. Everything is moving fine.
Alright, from the look of things, I can see that you don't want that shop anymore. Because I expected you to always go there after school to check on the sales girl to know how she's doing.
Oh, it's not that I don't want the shop anymore. It's just that the workload on me now is too much. As a law student, we have a lot of work to do. And I must come out with flying colors. Besides that, I always check on the girl. And she's not doing bad. I checked on her a week ago.
A week ago?
Yes.
1 week is too much for you to leave that big shop for a sales girl.
Yes, but I'm also making arrangement for my sister to come and help me to be managing it.
The organizer?
Yes.
How do you expect her to leave her business to come and manage yours?
I've discussed with her. She agreed. But it's just that she asked me to give her some time to think about it.
Okay, no problem. If that's the case, no problem. If she agrees.
Yes, she will. She will.
Alright.
You know, as a law student, we have a lot of work at our hand. We need to be steady in school and also do our...
But I told you initially, you said you can combine both.
I know. It's okay. I'm almost through my studies.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
What's the meaning of this? I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been? I went to your organizing workshop. I didn't see you. Expected you when I was passing out from law school. I couldn't find you.
Surprised, aren't you?
Of course I'm surprised.
Okay.
Where have you been?
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Well, who owned this car?
Why don't you just go inside and offer me a seat first?
Okay. Welcome. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So how is it going?
Fine.
This is cola.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Ijoma.
Point of correction. IG or blessing.
Meaning?
The old name has gone with poverty. This is my new name, Blessing.
So are you trying to tell me that you're changing your name from Ijoma to Blessing or IJ?
Not changing, but changed.
Well, if that will make you happy, let it be.
How was your graduation ceremony?
To God be the glory. Everything went well.
That's good. So you go to court now?
Yes.
Impressive.
So, Ijoma, I'm sorry, IJ. So, IJ, I want to, can you please tell me what is going on? I don't understand what is happening. What business are you doing now? Because from what I can understand and what my instinct is telling me, it seems that car outside belongs to you. Am I right?
This shows that you are a real lawyer. Finding out things without even asking. I do real business. With time, you get to know me better. The car parked outside is one of my most smallest automobiles. You get to know me better. Let's have a toast to a new life. To a new life.
Good day, Her Majesty.
Good day, Her Majesty.
I called you both here to be aware of what will happen in the next few days. My business partner is coming in from Germany, and I don't want him to go back to that country with our money. My money. Am I understood?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Tokumba!
Her Majesty.
You know him very well. You were the one that took him to the airport when he was traveling. And in the next few days, he is coming. And he will be seized to be among the living. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Any mistake, you will bear the consequences. You may leave. What? Petty traders loses money to hoodlums. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Both of you should come here right now. Immediately. What is the meaning of this? Answer me, what is the meaning of this?
We don't understand, Her Majesty.
To hell with both of you. You should know exactly what I am talking about. I'm talking to you.
Her Majesty, please, can you kindly explain to us?
Oh, you didn't hear that some market women were robbed yesterday, right? So who did it? Who did it?
We did, Her Majesty. We needed some money.
Will you shut up your mouth? Can you imagine? You needed what? Now tell me, who employed you into this business?
You did.
Who gave you guns?
You, Her Majesty.
Then why should you do such a thing? On whose approval? Why would you go on a mission without even informing me? For what?
We are sorry, Her Majesty.
You're sorry. You are sorry, right? What is today's date?
10th September.
Exactly 6 months. I told you guys never to steal from the poor. Isn't it what I said?
Yes, Her Majesty.
And then you went ahead to steal from those poor widows who are struggling to survive. What arrant nonsense.
We are sorry, Her Majesty.
Sorry for yourself.
It won't happen again.
Where is the money? Where is the money? Go and get it right now. This. What is this? This nonsense that you went to steal. I have told you several times. If you want to go for a mission, you have to steal from the rich on my own approval before embarking on any movement. And then you went to steal from the poor, right? Now take this money to the orphanage, since you cannot return it back to those women. Look at them, useless things. Get out! Move it! Rubbish. And next time you do such a thing, you will not like me. Criminals! Bombastic elements! Rubbish! Can you imagine? Told them several times not to steal from the poor, but you will continue to do that. Try me again! Idiots.
Madam, it's okay. It's okay, stop crying. This case does not call for tears.
I don't want my son to go to jail.
Then wipe your tears and tell me exactly what happened and how it happened.
My son is just being accused for nothing. The policeman in charge of the case wants me to give him money.
Madam, please, if you don't want to tell me your son's offense, then you can go ahead and give the policeman the money.
I don't have the money. That's why I came to you, sir.
As you can see, I am busy. So if you don't tell me your son's offense, what am I going to tell the judge? How will I defend your son in court? So tell me what happened.
They said he's one of the people that killed their neighbor in the compound.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
You are there together on the day of the incident?
No. My son was in school that very day.
He was in school? Do they attend the same school?
Yes, sir. They attend the same school.
Oh, okay. I think the best thing we can do now is to go to the police station and get the facts directly from him.
That would be very good, sir. Be very good.
Okay. So wipe your tears. I'll come back on Monday morning before 10 a.m.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
I'm really grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Clear your eyes. As long as your son did not commit that offense, he's not going to jail.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm
You're
so
welcome.
grateful.
You're welcome. No problem. Your son is not going to jail.
Alright.
As far as he's not commit the offense.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'll see you on Monday morning, sir.
It's okay. Well, sister, you've not really informed me what you're doing, the business you're into that made you acquire these words overnight. What's going on?
Because you're my brother, I'll tell you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, I spend all my time on the internet and other activities.
Can you be serious? Is that why you refuse to attend my cultivar?
I'm sorry about that. But I apologized to you the last time.
It's okay. I'm listening. Listening.
Listening to what?
Can you be serious for once in life?
Take a good look at me. Can someone who is not serious live in a beautiful mansion like this? Out there are my automobile machines. Do they strike you like an unseriousness?
Well, seriousness should not be measured with mentality.
Well, what is life if not what you grab?
Hope is not what I'm thinking. Because
of what? Look, I have suffered in this life. Remember, we lived a life of abandoned children. So there's nothing in this life I have not seen that will shake me.
But I once told you to come and take over my shop, but you refused. Never knew you had other plans for yourself. But let me tell you, there is more to grab in life that is far better than money.
Oh, I see. I see. So, you were happy back then in the village when I would stay all day under the sun pumping tires, and I would not make up to 5,000 naira. And then you will go out there to the bush fetching firewood. What if you were bitten by a snake? Whatever I do now, so far it puts food on my table, doesn't matter.
Well, sister, as you can see, I'm not a lawyer. Then I'm in best position to tell you that facing reality and hard work pays better.
Can we just forget about this and talk about celebration?
Celebration of what?
Celebration of victory. We both came out from penury. I am wealthy, doing so well. And you are also a lawyer who's comfortable.
Well, if it's what I'm thinking that you're doing, you better come out of it. Because I'm not going to be traced to a sister who is into criminality. I won't live that kind of life. Okay? I think I've given you the best advice. Well, see you later.
Yes, how did it go?
Nice work. Nice job, Amadi.
What about the body?
Well deposited.
The money?
Intact.
That's good. So tomorrow you have to go to the bank to deposit into my account as usual. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
You may leave.
Thank you.
120 million richer now. Yes.
Tessie, I must confess that I'm impressed. So far, your work is doing well. You are doing well in this place. Yeah. So you can see all these years that you've been here, things are moving. There's improvement. But Toshi, there's a development now. Do this transferring, and after preparing the account, the shop has to be closed.
Closed? Why?
Yeah, because he wants to transfer everything to his own shop.
Jesus Christ. So what will I do? Will I follow him to the shop?
I don't think so because he has many workers over there.
So I'll be jobless.
Well, you come over to my office and start work there.
Thank you very much, sir. My God will bless you.
Bless you too. So do your account well. All right. See you soon.
Sir.
I've told the sales girl to prepare the final accounts. And I have already settled her, so she will stop work very soon. Then after that, just like you said, she's going.
So, why?
Yeah, because you said you should move everything to the main office, since we can't handle it.
No, that was not what I meant. What I meant is, had it been I did not settle you with everything in that shop, I would have moved them to my own shop.
Oh, now I understand. Oh, okay. So I'm sorry.
What I'm trying to say in essence is, everything in that shop belongs to you. It's for your hard working and for your apprenticeship.
Thank you. I wish my parents were alive to see what is happening to me. You sponsored my education and still give me a shop fully equipped. My God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen.
God will replenish your pocket.
Amen. You are a loyal boy.
Thank you.
You even deserve more than this.
Thank you. You are like my second God. God will replenish your pocket through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen. Amen.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
All right.
Bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you, Lord.
What is the matter? Your face is not looking friendly.
How can it be friendly when you don't want to stop the type of business you do?
I hope you didn't come here to tell me about that.
Why would I? Huh?
Anyways, congratulations on your passing out from the law school.
Belated as it seems. Needless. Because I was caught about a year ago. Yeah.
Well, it's all good. We can still celebrate. You can celebrate with your blood sister from the same parents. Or is it that the love you have for me is gone?
Why are you diverting from the question I asked you, Ijoma? Why you?
AJ. Please, I want you to sit down. Please.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago? When you had a sister, no. You watch my back and I watch your back.
Cheers. I'm happy we finally meet again. I will meet in a big way.
Meaning?
My brother is now a legal practitioner, a big businessman, and I too, a very big businesswoman.
Well, the debate should be whether the ends justify the means.
Pascal, please, see me as your sister.
That will not be possible again. I cannot see you as the senior sister I used to know. It's not possible again. Because of the kind of work you do, I cannot see you as the hard-working Fokinaza I used to know.
Everyone with their opinion. Would you be happy to see your own sister die in poverty?
I can see you don't have anything to say. You know I'm a very busy person. Since you brought me here, you are not making any sense.
Sure, I know. But I wonder why you took to law when you know you have a very big shop, well equipped. You have every opportunity to make money from the white men. And I picture how you look, wearing a wig and a gown, just to impress the judge.
Well, I must say that your speculation sounds interesting.
Of course, I know I am a very interesting person. And I figure out that you must possess an excellent credentials that pass through the hurdles that beats many professors.
Well, anyway, I can see that you don't have anything to say. Because all your words are not making sense. For that, I have to leave.
The drinks.
Forget about it.
Let my driver drop you.
What happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late. What happened to you now, my sister?
Uncle! Hey! My son! Uncle! Uncle!
Hey! Hey! See house.
Uncle!
Hey! My son.
Uncle!
My son.
Welcome.
How are you?
Uncle, as you can see, I'm fine.
How is business?
Everything is perfect. Uncle, this one you came in unannounced. I hope all is well.
Hey. Okay. Let me go back so that...
No, Uncle, I was joking. I was only pulling your legs.
I wanted to go back and announce properly that I'm coming to see my son.
Uncle, I was joking. You know, I need to prepare one or two things if I know you're coming.
I
prepare one or two things for you.
See my son alone. The preparation is here already.
Uncle, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Uncle, let's go inside.
Hey.
Let's go inside.
Did you go to the motherless baby home as instructed?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Are you sure?
Her Majesty, Iheme here was the one that went to the motherless baby's home. I didn't go with him because of the message that you sent to me.
I know, and that's why I'm asking him to know their response when he got there.
They send their regards to you, Her Majesty.
Did you tell me?
I don't like to disturb when you are busy.
You're just flattering me. Your disobedience is quite a disturbance to me. This is yours, right? You know, you have nothing to say.
I'm sorry, Her Majesty.
Sorry for yourself. Tell him the punishment for disobedience.
Instant death.
Her Majesty, I'm so sorry. It won't happen again.
Of course, I know it will not happen again because I will permanently make it not to happen. I should have pulled the trigger on your head. Now take this to the motherless baby home and make sure you come back with a feedback. Don't you ever steal from the poor again. Because anyone who steals from the poor means you are stealing from God. Get lost.
Alright, Amadi. Thank you.
What? Babe, why is your face like this? What is the matter?
You're asking me as if you don't know.
I don't know. Can you just tell me?
I want to ask you, how long have we been in this relationship?
Well, it's been quite some time. Why do you ask?
Is it not yet time we formalize it?
Formalize into what?
Into marriage. Ijoma want to get married.
Look, you can't be serious at all.
Baby, I'm so serious right now. I'm serious.
Look, Obina. You cannot just jump into getting married just like that. We have to get to know ourselves better.
What else do you want to know about me that you've not known all this while? See, let me tell you. Listen very well. I am tired of always coming here to keep company to a stranger. Yes.
I don't understand. A stranger? Who is a stranger?
Someone who is not yet married to you is a stranger to you.
So I am now a stranger, right? Okay, no problem. What do you want?
Tell me.
Listen to me, Obina. I really don't understand. What makes you think that I will get married to you?
I don't understand.
You know, we've been playing along because I like you as a person. Me getting married, it's at my own will. Besides, I'm the one that is supposed to be inquisitive about getting married and not you.
You know what? I am tired of this relationship that is leading to nowhere. I am tired.
Then quit.
Uncle, you called me?
Oh, yes, I did. Please come and sit. You know, you are my beloved son. Okay? My late father used to tell me that the death that will kill his son rather should kill him. So, as my son, if I see anything that will happen to you, I'll rather wage it with my chest. Okay? It's about your sister. Since I came to this city, I have investigated her activities, and my findings are not encouraging at all. So you need to be very, very careful. Okay?
Yes, Uncle, you're right. Based on my profession, I know how to handle such people.
Look, Pascal, this is not about professionalism. Okay? We are talking of safety here, keeping you safe. All right? So you need to be careful.
Yes, Uncle, I understand. It's just that if I remember how we were together after the death of our parents, how we suffered, being together, it keeps reminding me the need for me to keep her close to me.
Well, in as much as I will agree with you on that, but someone who lives by the gun is not just an ordinary person. It's a criminal. Okay?
Uncle, I know, but it's not every gun. Like you now, you live with a gun as a hunter in the village. Aside from the harbor work that you do, that doesn't mean that you're a criminal or you're a killer. But never mind. I will take care of it. I promise you. I will monitor her.
But comparing me with her is an anomaly.
No.
Yeah, I know I'm a hunter.
No.
I carry gun, but I don't kill human beings.
No, I'm not comparing you, uncle. It's just that you say anyone that lives with a gun. I'm just teasing you because you also live with a gun.
I know.
So it's not every gun. It's not everybody. Yeah, but never mind, uncle. I'll do something about that.
It's all right.
I'll monitor her.
It's okay if you say so. By the way, Jude, wanted to do something and I had to discourage him. Yeah, he actually wanted to stop your sister from coming here. Yes, and I knew, so I knew to not go down well with you, so I stopped him.
Uncle, I know everybody's aware that my sister is a bad woman. Yeah, but never mind. I will take it as my job. I promise one day I will bring her out of that.
It's all right, but you just have to be careful because my late father told me that human head is like a cowrie. If you sow it, it will not germinate. So I'm always very concerned about you,
I understand.
It's all right. If you say you can handle her.
Yes, I will. I promise.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm preparing for work. So let me go on there.
It's all right. Go well.
Thank you so much.
I'm sending my driver over to your office to pick you up.
No, not like that. Sister, I'm a very busy person. I'll let you know when I'm through, okay?
Oh, come on. You may be a lawyer, but certainly you're my junior brother. This is Africa where seniority is being respected.
Sometimes I don't know where you get all this your philosophy.
Okay, let's not talk too much. I'll be waiting.
Why don't you come to my office?
Nah. I don't want to disturb the so-called learned gentleman over there.
You're never serious.
It's all right. I'll be waiting for you. Bye for now.
It's all right.
Oh, Pascal, thank you so much for honoring my invitation.
Let me hear whatever you want to tell me, because I'm a busy person. I want to go.
I am also a busy woman, so that makes our discussion more straightforward.
I'm not interested.
Well, like I said before, I wasn't kidding.
But what?
You're my brother. Some of my business partners have their lawyers. So it won't be a bad idea if you become mine.
To defend you and your business?
Exactly.
It seems somebody has fed you with this serenous gaggle that law is all about lies.
Well, I don't need to be told.
It's all garbage.
Pascal, you know, I've been in courts where the right person got sentenced and then the wrong persons walked away, got discharged and acquitted. I guess that's the court's slogan.
Well, mistakes do happen. The jury is not God or some set of prophets. The judge wasn't there when it happened, so mistakes can happen.
No, I disagree with that. You know, some of these judges, they sentence innocent people to jail just because money has exchanged hands.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Just tell me why you invited me here. Let me go.
Protection. Protection from you. Because while we're in the village, I did vulcanizing. I took care of you while you were selling firewood. So we are in the city. It is your turn to take care of me, Pascal. Because I don't see you allowing your sister get into the nets.
Well, I'm a law-abiding citizen. If you don't want to get trapped, then obey the law.
Oh, please forget it. So many people have sworn to defend the Constitution, but they end up betraying the society.
This is the second time you're inviting me to your house without making any sense. And you're wasting my time. I won't step my foot into your house again if you don't change. I have to go. Like I told you, busy.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? Or can I say who did this to you?
Jude, you know very soon I'll be going back to the village. I'll be waiting patiently for you to give me answer to what brought me to the city. Up till now, you've not told me anything.
Uncle, I've heard you. It's on the pipeline.
There is difference between hearing and doing. If it's in the pipeline, remove it from the pipeline. Let us see it before the boys will go and blow that pipeline.
Uncle, you are talking as if wife is like bread I can easily get in any shop. Uncle, we are talking of wife here, not bread or donut or meat pie. We are talking of wife. Uncle, I'm still searching. When I find a serious person, I will contact you. I will let you know.
Searching. You've been searching now. How long will it take you to search? You have the money right now to get married. Bring the woman for me to see.
Uncle, listen. Nobody is setting time for me to search. Most important thing is for me to get the right person. When you told me you want us to discuss something, I was thinking that maybe you want to get another wife since your wife is late. Or do you want to mourn forever?
Listen, we are not talking about me right now. I have conquered. I've seen 99. But you are just starting, so let's talk about you. When are you getting married? When am I seeing the woman?
Uncle, let me tell you something you don't know. Instead of mouth where they chop before, go stop. Instead, the one we never test, make you no chop. I know what I'm saying. You have been testing wife and you are not with wife again. You are supposed to get yourself another wife. Me, I have not tested. I don't even know how it feels like. So your own is more important than my own. I know what I'm saying. So since you are pushing me to get a wife, you need to give me time because it's not bread we are talking about. Except you want me to get you bread or do not. Since you are talking of wife, you give me time for me to get a good and serious and wife material.
So is that why you are blackmailing me?
No, Uncle.
You are talking of your own, you are talking of my own.
No, Uncle, I'm telling you.
Mine is not important, please. Okay? Now, listen, if you want me to wait for you, I will wait. But that means I will remain in this your house.
Uncle,
You think I'm comfortable just drinking like this? Look at what you're giving me. Wine.
Uncle is not important. You can go back to the village. Definitely. I promise you. I'm a man, definitely. Nothing is wrong with me. I must marry. It's a must. I'm only trying to be careful. Uncle, but please, can we change this topic?
You want us to change the topic?
Yes.
It's all right. Because it appears you are trying to blackmail me. No problem, we'll change the topic. But if you don't get me a woman, I will not leave this house. I will give you time to search.
Uncle, I have a call.
Answer your call.
Hello?
Well, you're highly welcome.
Not interested.
I thought you said you will never come to my house again.
I've come with an important message. You're being monitored. So it will pay me a lot to see you go down in the pit of hell.
Well, nothing of such can ever happen. You just do your part and I will do mine. Besides, you deserve a car, don't you?
Do not undermine the importance of my visit here.
Well, we can partner together.
I've told you that it's not possible. Because I warned you that I cannot engage myself with any activities of yours.
Well,
I have a shop. If you want it, you can go there and take care of it.
Well, I already told you what I want. Protection.
You cannot get that from me.
And I do not take no for an answer. You can do better.
So you really think that Barrister Pascal will defend and harbor a criminal in a court?
Pascal, people in uniform, they steal. A lot of them. In government, National Assembly. You know, governors, all these politicians, they all steal. But in as much as they steal, they have a lawyer that protects them.
Who is feeding you with all this social garbage?
Well, as you can see, I know them. I know everything about their conduct. Well, I know you will not want to recite the national item, both the old and new, if you know what I know.
Interesting. Keep talking.
Well, as a lawyer that you are, you need to know what happens around you. I'm giving you this lecture for free. This is a country where corrupt people sit in government, and you call it a nation? A country where rules of law are not obeyed. What we have is a big reservoir where everyone is struggling to draw the well dry.
Have you got conscience?
Yes, but not in my dictionary anymore.
We've got conscience. I and other people like me, we are out on a social war to put this country on a right path.
Barrister Pascal, you still believe in old principle. So let's leave this matter, please.
Well, I still maintain you amend your ways because they are monitoring you.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago? When you had the sister, now you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other.
Well, madam, I'll be waiting for you to, let me know the reason why you're here now.
Okay. I'm here to see the person in charge.
You must make a good magistrate. You can make a good magistrate. Well, anyway, tell me what I can do for you.
I said I came to see your boss.
Okay, my boss is not around. you can go and come back. When he's around, I will tell him. Then you can come back later.
Okay, please, when is he going to be around? Because the police are after me.
Madam, you are not serious. Because if you're serious and police is really after you, you should have started explaining your case to me.
Young man, you want me to start explaining to you? Then when your boss comes, I start all over to explain myself. I've got no time.
All right, since you have no time, you can go and come back.
So how did it go? Did he accept to help you?
I didn't even meet him. I met some boy in the office and he said his boss won't be coming in today.
His boss? This morning, Pascal left for office, and I'm very sure he doesn't have any assistant. So how's the person?
I met this little boy. He was sitting on the office chair. And this boy appeared to be the son of the man I supposed to go see.
Is the boy significant and pinchomic in nature?
Yes, a bit fair.
That's Barrister Pascal. What? He's the owner of that chamber. He's in the best position to help you. Listen. If I were you, rush back there before he decides not to help you. Please. Time is not on your side, okay? Time is not on your side. Go back to that place, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No, Jude, I was really rude though.
All
I was
right.
rude to this man.
Don't worry. Go and meet him. Beg him. Plead with him, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care.
You're welcome. Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm very sorry, sir.
That's all right.
My name is Betty, sir.
I know.
Okay. I'm here to tell you that I'm in a very big ship.
To be soon be determined.
Okay, I guess I need to start telling you everything and how it happened.
Yeah, if you want to save yourself from the hanging rope, go ahead.
I thought you said you knew.
Well, not first hand of what happened. What did you do?
Okay, I did it.
You did what?
I murdered her.
Stop. Hold on. Okay. Go ahead. Start talking.
Okay,
Go ahead.
It was a mistake.
I sent her to you. She's in serious trouble.
Yes, she met me and I told her to come back again. So that I'll think about the necessary thing to do.
But from the look of things, do you think she can come out from that case?
I don't know yet. But why would she kill her neighbor just because of a common quarrel?
I believe it was a mistake. That is why she has been on the run all this while.
This is a serious matter. This is a serious matter. And you expect me to put my wig, walk into the court, to tell the jury that a guilty woman is as clean as snow?
I believe you can do it perfectly well.
The law plays on the side of the innocent.
Listen, she's my friend. Whatever you're doing for her, you are doing it for me. Please.
This is a big task. It's a big task. And there's always two sides of the coin in this case.
I know.
And I always want to be on the positive side.
I know, but I believe a good lawyer is the one who goes to court and convinces the jury beyond all reasonable doubt.
But I've got conscience. I want to defend the innocent.
I know. But a smart lawyer is the one who saves his client that is doomed for execution. Pull out some smart stunt, believable theories, walk away with the client unhurt. That is why I sent her to you, because I know you will do it perfectly well. If you don't help her, the nose is waiting to enter her neck if she's caught. Please, you need to help.
Do you really want me to go far in this profession?
Why not? That's why I spent a lot of money to make sure you graduate.
It's alright. I will see if I can help.
Not seeing if you can help. Please, you need to help.
I'll see what I can do. I've asked her to come back in 2 days' time. I'll try my best, because I'm not the jury.
Alright, thank you.
So tell me, what gives you the courage to steal?
I'm a graduate and I have no job. I do it to help myself. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Apart from taking people's sweats, what else do you do?
Absolutely nothing for now.
Have you killed before?
Yes. Those days in school when I do rascal.
Smart. Perhaps. Very smart. But I will sound this as a warning. Nobody gets smarter than IJ. You have to stop stealing from the poor.
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
Tokumbo!
Her Majesty.
Get him more ready for the job.
Yes, Her Majesty. After you.
Madam, should go to police station and make a report.
Report what? Are you serious about what you're saying right now?
I'm serious as anything you can think of.
Why did you ask me to go to the station and make a report, knowing fully well that I committed the crime and they are after me?
Because I have studied your case. And you're going to jail if you don't do what I said.
That will mean me walking straight to my death.
Go to the police station, tell them you've been out of town, came back, hearing that the police were looking for you. Then you decided to report yourself as a law-abiding citizen. That's all.
That will mean that I will stop to breathe the air of freedom.
Before then, just tell them that you want to speak to your lawyer.
Okay, what happens next?
I'll take over from there.
All right. When do you want me to do this?
As soon as you leave this office, go to the police station and report yourself before they catch you by themselves.
So
okay,
Pascal, I just sure do hope you know what you're asking me to do.
Madam Betty, I know what I'm doing. If I don't know what I'm doing, I won't be sitting here with you. Okay? Just put yourself in order. Go to the police and do exactly what I said. That's the only way we can pull through. Okay?
Okay.
Betty said you told her to report at the police station.
Yes, I did. I told her.
Is that not suicidal?
Yeah, but what she did is already suicidal.
Listen, if you don't want to help us, just tell her. Than putting her into more trouble.
But she's already in trouble. Do you understand? She's already in trouble, big one.
Right, I think we should look for another lawyer.
I didn't say so.
So why adding more salt to the injury?
What do you mean by adding more salt to the injury? I'm just doing my duty to see how I can help her. Listen, if I should continue in this case, she must do whatever I ask her to do. That is it.
Order! Order!
I need your attention, my lord.
You have it.
Betty.
Yes, sir.
You went to the police station on your own?
Yes, I did.
Why did you go to the police station?
I came back from my travel and my neighbor told me that the police came by my place looking for me and that they came several times.
And?
I inquired what happened.
Were you told why?
No, I wasn't.
What happened?
I dropped my bags immediately and went straight to the police station.
Okay. While you were doing all this, what was going on in your mind?
Nothing really, only that I was performing my duty as a law-abiding citizen.
Thank you. Were you afraid to go to police station?
No, I wasn't, because I'm not guilty of any crime.
Why?
My lord, my colleague here is deviating. Huh? We're talking about a woman who committed murder. A lady who killed her co-tenant in cold blood. And my colleague here is asking irrelevant questions just to buy himself time. I suggest this woman should be convicted.
You should allow me to decide that. You may continue.
Thank you, my lord. The guilty, they say, is always afraid. Let's see the nerves of this prosecution counsel. By assuming that this woman standing here actually perpetrated the crime.
Objection, my lord. There is no word like assumption. This lady here is as guilty as Cain. And to be of no help to this honorable court that we allow this defense counsel to lead this honorable court astray. My lord.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, your worship. Let's assume that this woman standing here is as guilty as that. It will go down for the first time in the history of this country that a woman guilty of murder actually submitted herself for arrest by walking straight into the nearest police station.
This case is one of its kind, and hereby adjourn this case till 28th of next month.
Cut!
Uncle, I never knew Pascal is this good when it comes to law.
What did he do?
If you see the kind of respect people are called to him today in the court, you will be marveled.
Did he send someone to jail?
He's about saving someone who has already been marked to be sentenced to death.
So how exactly did he do that?
How I wish you were there and watch the way he was twisting the whole matter. Logically.
Okay.
Twisting everything. The boy is good.
That's my boy.
He is good. Like he is good.
I know. That's my boy.
Guy is good.
Oh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Pascal. Congratulations.
Why?
Over what you did today, of course.
What did I do? It's not over yet. The judge has not given any judgment.
I know, but from the look of things, I saw exactly what you did. Definitely, I believe victory will be ours.
Oh, no, it's not like that.
Listen, I've always known Pascal. I know that he will be a very great lawyer.
Not will be a great lawyer. He is already a great lawyer. Already.
You're not flattering me.
Oh, come on. Why will we flatter you? We just say the truth.
You are good. The boy is good. When I say he's good, he is good.
Thank you. Thank you. You're just like a father to me. I appreciate. Thank you, sir. I owe both of you.
I am not like a father to you. I'm your father.
Yes.
Okay?
Well done, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
I know that the sky is your stepping stone.
Amen.
I was shocked today. I wish you were there to see things yourself.
Twisting.
I have to wait for the judgment first. You want to predict the judgment?
I have already seen the end of it.
No, it's not like it doesn't work like that.
I have already seen the end. The judge is even confused.
It's okay. Pascal, I'm very proud.
This way that you're happy today. I've not seen you this happy before.
I am happy for you, Pascal.
Why?
Your performance in court was excellent the last time.
Come on. That's what I'm trained for.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's my job.
To lie in order to save the guilty woman?
Allow the court to decide that.
You think so?
I know so.
So why don't you allow the judge to pass his sentence? You went on defending her.
Please, can we stop discussing this matter that's still in court? You know, we have so many important issues I can talk about. If you have any.
I said it.
You said what?
I knew you are going to be my lawyer.
And I still maintain that you're going to stop that line of trade.
I am not a bad person as you think.
You can tell that to the dogs.
Well, as you talk, I have hundreds of students that are under my scholarship scheme. And I'm going to do more.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. The philanthropist. I hope you're not using the poor people to bribe God. Listen, there's no amount of scholarship that will stop the wrath of God from falling on you.
Well, my God is wise. He hears the cry of the poor. So I represent Christ.
I'm done with this discussion.
Pascal, are you chasing me out of your house?
I only welcome people with good discussion. Not someone talking like a drug addict.
Pascal, I will leave. But remember, we are siblings. Blood is thicker than water.
That's what they say. But don't forget we have different faces. And we answer different names.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago, when you had the sister. No, you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other. What's happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into?
20 million naira. Not bad at all. Tell me, any casualties?
No, Her Majesty.
Count out 100,000 naira each for both of you. Take the remaining to my room. Tomorrow morning, you will go to the bank. Remit the sum of 5 million naira into the school account, being the money for the students under my scholarship scheme. Pay the remaining into my account. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister.
Tell me. Why would she do such a thing? Why? What? Out of the 20 million, she asked you to pay in 5 million naira to the school account, and for us to share 100,000 each. Why? I don't understand. What do you mean? You're acting as if you don't know what I mean. What happened to the rest of the million? My mom! I don't like it when you laugh. The rest of the money becomes her own. Tukumbo is like you don't understand. You don't understand. From the group I came from, we share it 50-50. But do you know what you are? You are nothing but Mutrumpafu. See, if you still want to remain here, her order is final. Use your brain. You don't tell me that. I take the risk. I, Christy, take the risk. Why would a common woman be getting that kind of lion's share? Who does that? Who is she?
So the principal sent you here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to be sure if the school received the money I sent meant for the students on free education that are under my scholarship scheme.
Ma'am, yes, we received the money. And we are grateful for what you did. May God bless you and reward you a millionfold. I want to say, if every other person in this country were doing like you, this country, this nation we are into would have been a better place. Really appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
We thank God. To God be the glory.
I need to take my leave, ma'am.
My driver will drop you over.
All right.
Okom!
Pascal. You are here.
Yes.
I thought you were still at work.
No, I'm here. I came back since, but I've been in the room.
Jude actually asked after you, and I said you're still at work.
Oh, no, I've been inside the room. Yeah, because I'm doing some research.
Research?
Yes.
I thought you finished schooling. What are you still researching?
No, I'm doing research on the case I have tomorrow, so I need to prepare myself.
Oh. Ha! Lawyers. So this is how you work?
Yes.
No time for resting?
No, I will rest.
Okay. Let me leave you to continue with your research, okay?
Okay, sir.
When dinner is ready, I'll call you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Worship.
My client here is free for psychiatric examination. If that is done, she will be satisfied, sir. And also to prove that she wasn't under alcoholic influence. And it will mount to another miracle in this world, especially in this country, that a woman accused of murder actually walked herself straight to the police station.
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My colleague here is trying to make this court believe that my client actually stabbed her neighbor. I have been in this job for a while, and I have seen, read, and heard thousands of false witnesses. If our technology has improved, I suggest that we'll call those witnesses and let them pass through a lie detector.
Oh my lord. What my colleague here is doing is what we call delay tactics. It's delaying this court.
Barrister Moses, are you aware that this court has procedures?
Thank you, Your Lordship. We are talking about death here. So I will suggest a few protocols to be breached so that to make sure we are not sending the right person to the hangman. So, my lord, I want to cross-examine those witnesses.
Granted.
Thank you.
My lord, those witnesses are currently not present in the court.
Okay. So we have to adjourn till the bail application granted to the accused.
What?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, you're welcome. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing too?
I'm alright.
I came to say thank you to you.
Oh, no. You shouldn't have bothered yourself coming around.
Am I no longer welcome in your office?
No, you're welcome, but you don't need to stress yourself looking for me.
Come on, it's no stress. I came to tell you thank you for everything that you did for me, for saving me.
It's okay. It's not me. It's the judge. The judge was most lenient.
You did wonderfully well.
Thank you. I'm just doing my job.
Your job is your job. You did more than your job. Like, you got it all to the greatness.
Yeah.
It was fabulous, and I'm really grateful. Thank you for doing this for me.
You should be thanking my brother Jude, because he was the one that forced me into this. Huh? And they say again, change your ways and go home and say no more.
Say no more, I promise. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. What nonsense! What's going on here, for Christ's sake? Oh my Lord! What's happening here?
I didn't hear the sound of
Oh,
your horn.
as you blow the horn of a train before you hear me?
So what does it look like, Saint Pascal?
Tell the fuck up. What the hell are you doing in your living room with that non-entity? You're making love in your living room? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself to. Rubbish.
Well, I didn't know you have turned from a lawyer to a reverend father.
Shut up! You're sleeping here with that non-entity in your living room. Huh? And you still have the mouth to talk. Look at you.
Well, there are two kinds of people in this life. The strong and the weak. And I belong to the strong. And I will not allow you come to my house to humiliate me.
Hey, you're mad. M-A-D, you are mad. Mad. You're doomed, Madam Ijoma.
Oh,
Rubbish.
a point of correction. You're making a mistake. IJ.
Nonsense. What am I even shouting? What am I even doing here? With a nonentity like you. You have turned yourself to a prostitute.
A strong criminal. Look at you. Rubbish.
Of course you came to see your sister.
Shut the fuck up. Nonsense. Prostitute.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago?
What are you doing here?
Hey, come on. Don't tell me you don't want me visiting your office.
Not until you come back to your senses.
You don't mind me sitting down? Remember, blood is thicker than water.
What exactly do you want?
I'm here for two things. Firstly, I want to apologize for what happened the other day in my house. Secondly, protection.
Told you several times I have nothing to do with criminals and fraudsters.
I was there the other day in court, remember?
So what?
You saved the woman's life that was meant to be sentenced to death. Didn't you?
No, she's innocent.
That's a lie. I'm here to make you an offer.
I'm not interested.
Call me your account number. I'll send you 30 million naira. $40. $45.
What do you have?
I'll keep my money because I know you will need it someday.
It's high time you leave me alone.
It is not going to be easy because I know you don't mean it.
As you can see, I'm busy.
Think about what I said.
Wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago, when you had a sister. Now you watch my back and I watch your back.
Ijoma, whoever puts you in this mess will never know peace. Look at how your life has turned into a froster. My God, I want you to really intervene in this matter. Let my sister come back to her real life, because I never knew how to be such a woman. Give me wisdom to handle her, because I know she wasn't born to behave this way. Should I agree to protect her as she's requesting, and who knows, maybe I will be able to bring her back to her former life.
Pascal.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning. Why are you here by yourself this morning?
Nothing.
Come on.
Nothing.
Which nothing? A grown-up adult like you? Shedding tears? Come on. What is going on? Talk to me.
Well, I'm disturbed.
Disturbed? About what?
About my sister, Ijoma. She's no more the sister I used to know.
Your sister?
Yes.
Listen. Forget about your sister. Don't let it bother you. You see this life? Everybody is born into this world for a purpose. But it depends on the individual to pursue that purpose or change it. So destiny can be changed. And if your sister decides to change her own destiny and go southwards, negative, it has nothing to do with you. Okay? Now let me tell you, I don't even like that your sister one bit. When you were sick, where was she? She abandoned you. And when you recovered and went to the village, she was nowhere to be found. She disappeared. What kind of sister is that? A sister that does not care about her own brother? Forget about her, okay? Please. God is in charge. Come on. Cheer up, let's go.
She's still my sister.
I know. Don't worry. God is in control. Okay?
I hope you are good as recommended.
I'll try my best, ma.
Trying, you say. I hope you will not be recorded as easy come, easy go.
No, ma.
Tokumbo here will read the rules in capital letter for you. Any form of disobedience will attract leaving the earth. Am I understood?
Yes, ma.
You are the 7th guy I have recruited in the space of 3 years. And I do not wish to recruit the 8th person.
I will not disappoint you, ma.
Tokumbo,
Her Majesty.
take over.
Frank, let's go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Welcome to my office.
Thank you.
How may I help you?
My name is Jane. Can I sit?
Of course. We don't charge money for sitting.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I traced your office to see you.
Traced?
They say you are the best lawyer in town.
Oh, thank you. I only do my job.
Well, I'm not here for that. I came on a different purpose.
Which is?
I like men that operate on street principles.
Okay, so what do you want me to do for you?
I've seen you in court several times.
But I didn't notice.
That is because you always operate on street formats.
You don't get me wrong.
Well, I already told you I adore men of your principles. To be honest, with the way my friend described you, I only came to court to learn from others' mistakes. But each day that passes by, I saw myself being interested.
Interested? Oh, you also want to be a lawyer?
No. I don't want to be a lawyer.
Liar? Did you say liar?
That is my description about lawyers, because my dad is one, so I should know.
That's pure ignorance.
The truth.
So you call your dad a liar?
To his face.
Sounds so, should I say, intriguing.
Well, let's say I am interested in you.
Interested in me? Interested in a liar? You're not serious. You just said liars are liars and you're interested in me.
Excuse me, Oba. Who are you and what are you doing in my compound?
I should be the one asking you that question. My friend, who are you and what are you doing here?
If I start talking else, I will call the police on you. What are you doing in my compound?
If you don't leave me this minute, I will show you what they do to a white snatcher like you. Leave me alone.
You serious?
You okay?
You again?
I deserve a better welcome than that.
I don't want to entertain criminals in my house.
What brought me here is better than what you think.
Then you call me on phone.
No time for that.
So what is it?
Death.
Who died?
A guy.
What is your problem? Every time you keep talking about men. What is your problem? When will you stop that?
This one is different. There was a fight in my house yesterday. 2 men fought themselves blue-black, and in the process, one died.
So why would they fight themselves to death?
Of course they fought because of me. And that's amazing. Isn't it?
Joma, what's amazing in a situation where death is involved? What's amazing in that?
Well, I don't care. I don't care if anyone dies. Take a good look at me. Remembering my past in the village as a vulcanizer. Very poor, dirty, and ugly. Who would have believed that a man, let alone men, would scramble to have me? Now you can believe that money is the 7th sense that controls the other 6.
Joma, you're not just a criminal now. You're not turning yourself into a prostitute. Look at what you're saying.
I would take that as a compliment.
Welcome.
You guys are back.
Yes, Your Majesty.
So how did it go?
We disposed his body as you instructed.
What about the other man?
He was in there when we left, but coming back was nowhere to be found.
What? Look, you have to look for him everywhere. Make sure you find him. Otherwise, the case may not have ended. Do you understand me?
Okay, Your Majesty.
I've come to talk to you for the last time.
Talk to me for the last time. Are you dying anytime soon?
Not until you kill me the way you do to others.
I will only forgive you because of our late parents. And you are still my kid brother.
Why can't you think well? Think back. I think about how far we've been before. Remember?
Please. Enough of this gospel talk. Because I will never go back to my old days. The day I decided to take the bull by the horn is the day I got humiliated because of money.
When you're done, you start coming.
Where are you going to? I thought you were supposed to pay.
Pay for what? I've paid for mine.
But you told me to come with you to eat now. That was what you said now.
So because I asked you to follow me, I have to pay for your food. Why?
I don't have money now. You know now. I don't have any money on me.
If you don't have money, you go and borrow now. Better still, go and bring money. Have you not been working since morning?
But you told me to join. Didn't you tell me to join to come and eat? Which kind of thing is this one now?
I did. I was expecting you to come and pay for me too. But as I can see, you're useless.
Eh?
Yes. If you're not, you have to pay for your food. Madam, come and collect your money.
Madam, your money. See, I don't have money. She was the one that told me to come and eat with her.
Will you give me my money at this minute? You came here to eat without a kobo in your pocket. Did it look like I'm celebrating my birthday today? I beg, give me my money.
Okay, let me go and look for money. I'm coming now, please.
You don't do that here, madam. Give me my money. Give me my money now.
That was how I got embarrassed by a mere restaurant woman because of money.
Hard luck.
You think so?
What do you expect when you step out with an untrusted fellow?
I wouldn't have gotten embarrassed if I had money.
That was good of you.
Good of me that the woman ordered me to wash plates in her restaurant because I couldn't pay for a plate of food. I felt so bad. I felt like killing her. Really, if I was swimming in money, she wouldn't have done what she did.
Is that why you start looking for money in the devil world?
Don't even go there. I didn't do anything bad. I decided to take the bull by the horn.
So?
Well, I planned with my guys to gang up against her. We waited for her, saw her, and collected all her belongings. I watched them rape her.
Shh, close your mouth. That's stealing and raping. You may go to jail for that.
Well, I just paid her back what she did to me.
She has no right in forcefully taking what belongs to somebody. And also raping the person. You know that.
Well, you can save your sermon, Barrister Pascal.
You have turned yourself to a devil. And it's not going to help you anyway.
If you assess me, you will see that I'm doing well.
Huh? The evil you're doing must catch up with you one day. Just watch out and be careful.
Of course, I have a secret exit door that will prevent even the air to get at me. I know you will not let me into the dock. But even if you do, you have won 10 straight cases. And mine won't be different.
Well, that's my job. Even the lawyers in this whole world will not save you once you're found guilty.
Fantastic. Now tell me, how many of those clients you saved their neck were truly innocent?
What you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you?
What do you like?
Like my normal chicken, goat meat and cow meat. The meat I know. I don't like. I don't like bush meat at all.
Okay.
Look, I don't like the way you left my house earlier today with annoyance.
Stop that. Please, I don't want anything to do with somebody like you.
Of course, we are two of a kind, and we both break the law.
You're mistaken. I don't break the law. I keep it. That's my job.
Fine. Your clients, how do they hire you? They tell you everything, even how they did it. Right?
Sure.
Well, you already know them beforehand that you are defending a criminal.
You're just funny. I knew it that you're an unserious person. You're not serious.
Can you hear yourself out? Can you just hear yourself out? You save the ass of a stranger and you find it so difficult to protect your own blood sister. Now tell me, why are you shying away from your responsibility? Why?
I forgot to sit down.
Hello? Hello?
I'm done with you. Nonsense.
Damn it. He caught the call on me.
You know it's grass cutter.
Grass cutter.
Hey!
I've not seen it before, sir.
You are missing. You are missing.
Pascal.
What is the problem? After answering call, your countenance changed.
I'm confused right now.
Did anybody died or did you lose a case?
None of the above.
So tell me what the problem is, because I don't like seeing you in this mode.
I'm considering relocating from this city.
Huh? What did you just say?
This place is no longer conducive for me.
But you still have not told us what the problem is.
It's my sister Ijoma.
I said it. I knew it. Yes, it must be her. Now listen. Pascal, I have told you times without number that you should leave that your sister alone. Yes, both of you are siblings. The same blood runs inside you, but you are individuals. So you have to ken your lane. Every man to his tent, O Israel. Please, if you don't leave her alone, she will kill you. And I will not take it if you die. I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh.
What did she do to you?
She's pestering my life. Telling me that I must be her lawyer.
So what was your response to her?
I told her in black and white that I cannot be her lawyer, considering the kind of job she does.
It's as simple as that now. She should go and get another lawyer for herself.
That is the problem. She's insisting on me.
Then ignore her. She will not drag you to court to defend her. It's not possible.
Listen, both of you. I am your father. Okay? Now, whatever I see sitting here, none of you can see it, even if you climb to the tallest mountain. Okay? So, Pascal, I beg you, leave her alone. Leave her alone before she kills you. I beg you.
Uncle, considering what Pascal told me, I don't think that would be possible. Pascal will find it very difficult to leave her alone the way you just said now. Because blood is thicker than water. Yes.
Okay. But all I know is that they should not kill my Pascal from me. They should leave him alone for me.
Uncle, nobody will kill your Pascal for you.
I have said my own.
For you.
Okay. My sons, I summoned this meeting to let you know that I would like to go back to the village, in a week's time.
Wait. Uncle, is this why you called us? Uncle, we have discussed this before. And I told you to stay till month ending. You accepted. Why bringing up this issue again?
Accepted what? Just look at me. I have my business to run. My customers are waiting. I supply women bushmeat, and if I don't go back, how would they be getting their regular supplies?
Uncle, I have a question for you. Are you the only one in that village? They can buy from other people.
Uncle, maybe you should wait small. Don't go yet, as Jude said. Just wait, don't go yet.
He's saying that they can get from other people, but he knows very well that I am the biggest hunter in that village. So, okay, just look at me. I am a proper village man. But since I came here, you've transformed me to a city man. Who does that?
Uncle, when this is like this, Uncle, I wanted to tell you something.
What is it?
There is somebody I wanted to introduce to you people so that you approve and give your blessing before going back to the village.
Wait. Today? You will introduce her today, right?
No, not today. I'll discuss with her to know her own time.
Wow.
What? I will wait now. But let it be tomorrow. Sharp, sharp.
I will discuss that with her. Yes. Sir.
I don't come.
Stay back.
I will wait.
Stay back and wait.
I will wait.
You're going there to start carrying gun up and down. Stay back.
I hate people who are stingy, who doesn't give. And I also hate people who feel they're smart. Chief has ended up becoming very stingy. So we'll help him spend his money.
How much is it? How are we going to do it?
From the investigation carried out, I found out that he withdrew 850 million naira from the bank this morning, cash, for his political campaign. Instead of him wasting that money for his stupid ambition, we'll help him spend it and use it for the less privileged.
So when are we striking?
Tonight.
Are you sure the money is in his house?
Frank, how many bosses do we have here?
Only you, Your Majesty.
Have I ventured in any business that has failed? I'm asking you.
I don't think so.
You haven't answered my question.
No, Your Majesty.
So why call me a liar?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
I need that 850 million naira in the next 12 hours. You may leave.
I never knew that she would get angry because of that little question that I asked her.
Wait. So you call that question little question?
That yampo. Let me tell you, that means you are not sure of what Her Majesty says about the money.
But it's not a bad thing if I should be sure before we embark on such a mission.
Let me tell you, Her Majesty is brilliant. And she is the most intelligent lady I have ever seen. Besides, I believe that woman is using something. She has spiritual eyes.
God wasted what could have used to create men in her.
In fact, let me pretend that I don't hear what you say. Eh? If not, be a parawa. Let's go and prepare before you tell Mother Nansubu.
How?
Okay. Mind yourself before you tell Mother Nansubu. Let's go and prepare.
Pascal, here is Betty and the mother. I believe you know Betty, right?
Of course.
All right. Betty called me earlier today that she wants to surprise you. Unknowingly to me, she came with her mother. They brought all these things, including the goat, this goat here. So, over to you.
Take the goat take it outside and tie it up,
Yes, Barrister Pascal. My mother and I came to specially say thank you to you for what you did for me. You are like a god to me. If not for you, I would have been long gone or perhaps in prison right now. But you saved me. You did it all for me without asking for a dime. I'm so grateful. May God bless you, sir.
Amen. You see, I must thank you, for doing this. It is not easy. Even in the Bible, the Christian Bible, I think there was a place they said Jesus did something for so many people, but only one person came to say thank you. So there's an adage that if you appreciate any good thing that somebody does for you, it motivates the person to do more. I know my son, you will see the kind of person he is. He doesn't even need any appreciation. But for you to do this, you have done well. God will bless you too.
My son, God will bless you. Whatsoever that you need in the hands of God, I will say it's already yours.
Amen.
Any enemy that is fighting you, that enemy is fighting in vain.
See, my son has no enemy. It's like water.
Today, you are a lawyer, a barrister. In no distant time, your name will be announced. You will be a judge. Amen.
Amen.
Yes.
Hey. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Mama, God has already answered your prayers. As for me, I don't need all these things. God has blessed me through Bro Jude here, because he was the one that picked me up from the gutter, cleaned me up, took care of my studies and everything. So I think all the appreciation should go to Jude, my uncle here, and Almighty God. As for me, I don't need all these things. You should ask God for that. The appreciation should go to God, because I'm just a tool in the hands of God. So I appreciate God who made everything possible to happen. Thank you so much. I appreciate the gift, but I don't need them. Thank you.
You've spoken well, my son. But from the heart of my heart, I brought this little token for appreciation. What you've done for me. Please, if you're telling me now to take them, no, I will not. Please, accept them. Go be them now. I want to with this honor. For what you did for my daughter.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please, sir. Please accept them. It's just a token, please, to say thank you for all that you did for me.
Yes.
Please. You did all this for me without collecting a kobo.
It's okay, please stand up. I don't like people kneeling before me. It's Almighty God that you can do that for. It's okay, just stand up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Mama, you heard what my brother here said, but I don't think we will reject everything. At least we will take every other thing apart from this money here. Mama, please. You have other things to do with this money. Please, Mama. I am begging you. We appreciate everything you did. But please, you need to go with this money, please.
Well, Jude has already tied my hands. He has tied my hands because according to our tradition, any money, yam, goat or drink that walks into the house of the in-law does not walk out. But as it is now, he has tied my hands. So when he has given you the money, you can take it. But for the yams and the goats and the drinks, all the other things, we have to take them. If you don't need them, I will take them to the village.
It's okay, Mama. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Just keep the money. Like my brother Jude said, you have to do a lot with that money. So we can go with this just like he said.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, sirs.
Thank
Thank
you
you very
so
much,
much.
sir.
God
we are
bless you
grateful.
people for
Thank
me.
you.
You get out from here, you stupid! If you hold me, I will slap you! Don't you dare! Don't try it! So it has come to that, right?
Continue what?
You now prevent me from coming to your office. So this is where the height of hatred has gotten to. Pascal!
What is the matter?
Sir, she came in and I told her to allow me inform you that she wants to see you, but she forced herself in.
What kind of rubbish is that? Why can't you obey the receptionist? This place is not a marketplace. Huh? Please don't try this again. Next time, she will walk you out. Then you may go.
Thank you, sir.
Pascal, I will take every other insult, but I will not allow you embarrass me before a low office girl. I have the right to come to your office whenever I want to.
This is a law firm. We have procedures here. So you have to abide by the rules.
You're a bastard. And I will not allow a charge and bail lawyer like you to order me around.
Anyway, I keep telling you that if you continue with this your criminal activities without embracing legal business, I have nothing to do with you. And you are not accepted in my office because we don't entertain criminals here.
Now listen to me, young man. I have respected you enough. I have done everything possible to maintain our blood relationship. But now I know you are not what I thought you are.
Keep repeating it. So long as you keep practicing this your criminal activities, indulging with all this your behavior, I have nothing to do with you. You're your own. Period.
Who cares? Young man, you may be a lawyer, but I will promise you something. If you dare put your finger in my mouth, I will not hesitate to bite it off without looking back.
Anyway, let's wait for that moment to come. Just look at you. Look at the way you're shouting. Have you considered your mental health? Well, for now, please step out of my office. Just walk out.
And if I don't?
Same to want to try my patience.
Do your worst.
Get out of my office.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. But What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you? Remember how we used to.
IJ. IJ, baby, good afternoon. Baby, this one I'm greeting you and you're not answering me. What is the matter? Are you not happy that I'm here to see you?
I'm not in the mood.
What happened? Did I offend you?
It's not every time you give a smile to your visitor.
So I should go.
The choice is yours.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago, when you had a sister. Now you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other. What's happened to you now, my sister?
Ah. Welcome, Uncle.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hi. Sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Hey! Wow.
Uncle, this is Jen. The girl I told you about. Jen, my uncle.
Well done, sir. I've heard so much about you.
Really? Tell me, what did you hear about me? I hope they are good things, so.
Of course.
Anyway, so where are you from?
I'm from Akama in Enugu State.
Enugu State? Ha! See, Enugu women, they are very good in marriage. But my daughter, I hope you are not going to kill my son with your special night mile.
No. Not at all.
It's all right. So tell me, what of your parents?
My mom is late.
Oh.
My dad is a practicing lawyer. He lives here in this city. We both live together.
That's great. What of...
Uncle, no, it's okay now. You're asking too many questions. If you ask all the questions now, which one are you going to ask later?
No, Pascal. Allow him to express himself. Besides, I'm enjoying it.
You see? Anyway, my daughter, you know Pascal is a lawyer. He knows when to say something and when not to say something. So, forgive him. So, tell me, you've not given her cola?
Sir, I've already taken something. And I've been here for a long time. I'll soon be going home.
No. This is a mixture of water, sugar, and coloring matter. Cherry, let me go and find something for you.
Thank you, sir.
Cherry.
What of Uncle and Jude?
Jude has gone out.
They finished?
Yeah. Your bath. It took so long. Why?
No, I just finished. I finished taking my bath a long time ago, but I was just going through some files.
Same thing. That is the only thing my father does. Checking files all the time.
You always talk about your father whenever we talk.
I don't like liars.
But you're here promising to do everything for me.
Look, Pascal, you are different. You got class.
I catch you today.
Madam, what is it?
I catch you
Why are
today.
you
You are
holding
the
me?
one. I catch you today.
Leave me alone.
I catch you today. I catch you. I catch you today.
Leave me alone.
I catch you today. I know you.
Why are you holding me?
I catch you today. You came to our house. You robbed me. You stole all my money. You robbed us.
Leave me alone.
I catch you today.
Madam, why are you embarrassing this young boy? What has he done?
He came to my house. He robbed me. He raped us. He collected all my money.
Madam, what if he's what if
He cannot deny it. He cannot deny it. He's the one.
Madam, you have the wrong person and I hate embarrassment.
Madam, leave him.
Leave me alone.
He cannot deny it. He will run, oh. He will run. I know him. He will run. I know your face. I know your face.
We'll go to the police station and they will do their investigations.
I am not going anywhere. Leave me alone.
Go! Go today.
Leave me alone,
Bros, no vex, no vex. Bros, let us go to the police.
I am not
They
going
don't kill
anywhere.
anyone.
Leave me
I know
alone.
him. He will run, oh.
Oh, you got me.
Yes, sit. You know, I've been here for quite a while. I mean, it's been very long since I came here. And I think I have overstayed my welcome. Okay? I'm now homesick. I want to go back to the village.
Uncle,
Yes.
enough of all these your threats. If you want to go back to the village, the door is wide open for you.
Jude, you are chasing me away, huh?
You said you want to go now.
It's all right.
You can go.
No problem. Pascal, I want to know the status of your relationship with that lady that you brought here the other time. You know, where are you right now?
I don't understand what you mean by the status.
What don't you understand? We need to go and see her people. And we need to go and see them now.
Oh, that's not a problem. I will discuss that with her. Yeah, sure. Of course.
Okay. Jude. What of you?
Mine?
Yes,
It's on the pipeline. Like I told you before, it's on the pipeline.
Pipeline?
Yes.
Uncle, I suggest you stay with us for some time. Huh? You can stay with us more instead of rushing back to the village.
I don't even know why you are rushing to the village. I don't even know why. As if the animals in the bush are not there waiting for you. They are there waiting for you.
You don't know why. Now let me tell you. Wherever your wealth is, that is where you put your heart. And mine is in the village. Okay? So I want to go and chase my wealth.
Well, I'll go. Let me go and continue with my studies.
It's all right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Jude. This your pipeline thing. I think we need to bust that pipeline and bring out that your wife. It's very important. And you might be asking why I am doing this. Now, if a child is pointing at a particular direction consistently, it's either the father is there or the mother is there.
Uncle, that is olden days, not nowadays. Anywhere a child is pointing now, either snacks is there or toy is there.
Look, whether it is snacks or toys, we are going to bust that pipeline and bring out that your wife.
Uncle, the way you talk at times, you talk as if wife is everywhere or sampled in shops. Uncle, we are talking of wife. If I marry wrongly, all this wealth you are seeing now, the person will come and squander everything, even turn herself to widow. And even kill me. Uncle, wife is not bushmeat. You don't expect me to pursue my future wife the way you are pursuing bushmeat in the forest. Uncle, we are talking of wife, not bushmeat, not mbada or antelope.
So now you want to start sampling them. Today, Sisi, tomorrow, Agnes, next tomorrow, Comfort. So you can't select one from all those, that lot.
Uncle, in every examination, you go practice before you pass. Okay. I'm only doing testing.
Okay.
Uncle, I'm doing testing.
Testing.
Uncle, this is marriage. You need to test everywhere, test everything. Know where you are entering. This is for better and for worse, not for the meantime.
So that is why you want me to go home so that I cannot bring up this topic again. You lie. You must bring your wife.
Uncle, let me tell you, wife is not bushmeat that I will set trap and catch. This is for better and for worse. I will take my time, marry a good wife that will keep my home, not any careless hookup gear.
It's all right. Look, one thing you should know is that an okra cannot outgrow its owner. If the okra is too tall, the owner will bend it and pluck it.
Madam, you are needed at the station.
What for?
There is an allegation leveled against you.
Allegation leveled against me, IJ.
Yes.
By who?
Well, I don't know.
Does the commissioner know you're here?
Definitely is aware.
Good day. Yes, it's me. 2 of your men are here in my house. All right.
Are you true?
Yes.
Can we?
Good for her. I hope these people will teach her a bitter lesson, so that she will know that next time it's an offense to take what does not belong to her.
Pascal, calm down. I said calm
Calm down for what? Please don't patronize me in this. They say when a fly does not hear advice, then that fly will follow the cause and enter the grave.
Listen, first of all, find out the reason she was arrested. It may be different from what you're thinking.
I don't care. Let her carry her cross.
Listen, you need to care. You need to care. When you beat a child with the left hand, you drag the child back with the right hand. Yes, you cannot throw away a baby with the bathwater. I still remember what you told me about her. Yes.
So what do you want me to do in this matter?
I suggest you find out the station they took her to and know the reason she was arrested. It's as simple as that.
Tokumbo, where are you hurrying with your bag?
I'm traveling to Abuja. Her Majesty asked me to meet her there.
What of Frank?
Frank is with Her Majesty.
So what do I do now?
Okay, go back to your house. Then come back next week. I believe by next week we'll be back. See, let me rush before I miss my flight.
Yeah, I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you?
Officer, you know, lawyers and police are partners in progress.
Sure.
Thank you. I'm here in respect of one Mrs. Jamese. I heard your boys are detaining her here.
Yes.
What is her offense?
She's been accused of masterminding the robbery of one Chief Inachi, a renowned politician, of 850 million naira. Yes.
Okay, did they caught her in this act or just an accusation?
Anyway, we are still going on with our investigation. Yeah,
Okay, can I see the lady?
you can. Sergeant, send Iheme to my office now. Alright, fast.
Is it serious?
Of course it is. Very serious.
So, what really happened?
Anyway, let me leave you both
Okay, no problem.
to attend to some other matters, okay?
So, tell me, what happened?
When I was in my house, some foolish policemen came to pick me up and they took me away.
What do you mean by foolish policemen? When are you going to stop this your foolishness, eh? What do you mean?
Pascal, did you come here to insult me or rescue me?
Keep quiet, my friend. You know you are still in police net. I will just leave you here and go.
Then it will be in record that my blood brother abandoned me when I was in trouble.
Can you just tell me what happened and why they brought you here?
Are you ready to listen?
What happened? What did you do?
Accusation. Wrong accusation. I was accused wrongly.
Just tell me what they accused you of. Go ahead.
Then why do you interrupt me? Why are you interrupting me, Pascal? What is it? Was that how you act with your client?
You are not my client.
Then why are you here?
I'm here because you're my sister.
Oh, hey. Now you realize that I am your sister. Not just your sister, your elder sister.
What's wrong with you? I heard you were accused of, one robbery like that with one chip in that to the tune of 850 million.
Why do you ask? When you already know.
You're not doing this with your clear eyes.
I don't know. Lawyers. You all are the same.
You need deliverance. Yes. You need deliverance first. That's what you need.
My sister, what have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late.
Why do you always pressurize me on someone who you know that is as cute as ever? That is not the Iheme I know. She needs deliverance.
Thank God you know that your sister needs deliverance. Thank God you know.
Iheme is a thorn on my flesh. They say when a fly is perches on the courtroom, if you kill it, it's a trouble. If you leave it, that is worse.
You're right. But I suggest you get her out from the station first. Before we think of where we take her to for deliverance. We can even use joint force, like Iheme, native doctor and pastor.
It's not easy to get out of the station just like that.
No, now, by the time you meet one or two police now, definitely she will be out.
The case has already gone to court.
What? So fast? Hey! Enugu obodo also. Hi.
I don't know why it's like that. The case will come up next week.
God. Hey. Wow.
Hello.
I'm here to represent my client, Miss Ijoma. She was accused of robbery. Thank you a lot. Ijoma, can you tell this honorable court what you do for a living?
I'm into importation of educational materials.
Okay. I also heard that you operate an NGO.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, that you have over 5,000 students in your scholarship program.
Objection, my lord. My lord, can we advise my learned colleague here to go straight to the case and allow the young man to do his job?
Barrister Moses.
My lord.
I am the judge in this court, so allow the court to take this decision.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. Ijoma, I understand that on the 20th of June, you were in Germany.
Yes, my lord.
And that was the day of the robbery.
So I heard.
Okay. Also heard that when Mr. Frank was looped in to involve you in this matter, do you know how much he was paid to do that?
I didn't bother to ask because I have no business doing that.
Objection, my lord. My lord, Mr. Frank testified and described her as a boss and called her Her Majesty. My lord, she needs to be sentenced, my lord.
Allow the court to decide.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. This is where my colleague got it wrong. They brought Ijoma here with only evidence that her name bears Majesty. So if they didn't get Ijoma, they will go out there looking for anybody that bears the name by Majesty. Is that an evidence?
Order!
So, my lord, I still plead that this honorable court will tell the police people to throw their fishing net in the river for them to get the appropriate culprit. I can't see the reason why this woman who spends so much billions, assisting the students, spending billions in their education, scholarship, and all that, will go as low as taking 850 million. It doesn't happen. Thank you, my lord.
Objection, my lord.
This case is a tough one. I would like you to bring your testifier.
My lord, my witness is not in court, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Okay. This case will be adjourned in the 18th of October.
Pascal, you are a magician.
How?
Didn't you see what you did in the court?
But that's my job. That is what I'm trained for. And it cost it.
How did I cause it?
Yeah, because when you are giving me money to go to school, giving me money to acquire the necessary knowledge that I will need today to face whatever, you didn't know, it cost it.
See, I am so happy. If your sister likes, let her go back to that art again. She will regret it.
What do you expect me to say? I don't know. It's only a blind person that you can tell that there's no oil in his soup, not the salt. If she likes, she can do whatever she likes. This time around, even my dead parents, cannot save her.
That boils down to what I said earlier.
Which is?
She needs deliverance.
Well, in this life, we have our individual race. I'm just a lawyer, not a pastor. She can take care of herself.
But you still need to help. She is your blood.
I know, I will try, but the help will come from her first. You're welcome.
Thank you. Can I sit?
Yeah, sure. Sit down.
You're a brother indeed.
No, don't do this. Don't do this, please. You don't need that from me. I did my work. You're my sister. Just get on. So don't do this.
I never dreamt you could ever come for my rescue.
We have to give God the glory. And you especially have to take God as your personal savior. You have to change your way of business and start a new life. Stop doing illegal business. Stop criminality. It's not gonna help you.
I'm dumbfounded. I can never cease to thank you for everything that you've done for me.
It's okay. How far have you been doing since then?
Cold, short of words, but God is merciful.
I see. What of Frank, the guy in question?
Chief Neji pleaded with the police to release him.
Release him? Could that be possible?
Since the court freed me, he wouldn't want him to suffer alone.
It's okay. Like I said, think about your life. And give praises to God who did everything for you. But you have to change your ways. Criminality is not a way of life. Stop doing those things you're doing. Remove yourself from illegal activities. You're too beautiful, intelligent to be a criminal. It's not gonna help you. Change from now and become a new person. Because I want the best for you.
I'll be leaving. I just came to say thank you for everything that you've done for me.
Alright. Like I said, thank God for everything. As you can see, I'm very busy. I would have seen you off. But change your ways. Change your ways. Say no to criminality. Say no to illegal activities. And say yes to life. I want the best for you. I'm always there for you. Just change your ways.
Thank you.
What a mighty God is our Hallelujah. Heaven and earth adore him. Angels bow before. Praise the Lord. Repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand. Madam, the Lord just ministered to me that I need to talk to you. Anything you made in this life without the help of God is vanity upon vanity. Sin cannot help you in this life. Killing human, involving yourself in any other problems, crime do not help you. I want to give you this track. This is word of God. Don't play with it. Read it and meditate on it. For the word of God says in John 3 verse 16, for God so loved the world that he sent only Son for us, that whoever that believeth in him shall not die, but have everlasting life. Read it. The Lord will help you. The Lord will show you the way out of your problem. And he will guide you. So I have to do you now. Read that thing I give to you. The Lord will be with you. Amen.
Uncle, are you going to the village?
I'm going to miss this place. Oh.
Uncle, make sure you send us bushmeat, eh? When you get to the village.
Bushmeat.
Yes.
You know that one is a given. I will always send you bushmeat.
Correct,
Eh?
correct.
The only difference is that I will load it more.
Correct.
But not just for you. I'm going to load it. The ones that Jane will use to cook for you as a husband.
Correct.
Uncle, wait.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question. Ever since Pascal brought Jane to this house, you've been so happy, as if you're the one marrying her.
Before, Uncle? She's my wife. Eh?
She's your wife.
Anything that belongs to my son, Pascal, belongs to me.
That is it.
Huh?
Right.
The only difference is the Ifediche.
Your Piotus.
You're right. What's happening? Why are you walking like this? Walking as if you can't kill an ant.
Good morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
I hope all is well with you.
Yes, I came to see my brother Pascal.
And you trekked to this place?
I parked outside.
Okay, go inside. We are taking Uncle to the park. He's heading to the village.
Yes.
That's exactly what's brought me here. I'm going to the village too.
Huh?
What am I doing in this world again? I have ruined my life. If I knew, I would have listened to the advices given to me by my junior brother Pascal. Whatever you achieve wrongly will definitely go away in the wrong way. Vienna has deceived me. I should have listened to good advices. Vienna is nowhere to be found. All my friends has deserted me when I had a police case. They all thought that I will be hanged. Oh, life. What will I be doing with all this when I don't feel happy inside me? Because it's acquired in a wrong way.
What is going on? What is the problem? It's okay. It's okay. You still have time. You still have chance to make amends.
Look at me. Just take a good look at me, Pascal. I am starting from nowhere.
No, you are not starting from nowhere. You are not starting from nowhere. I'm here for you. You have my shop. You can take everything inside it. All the goods. It belongs to you. Use it to start a new life.
Pascal.
Yes.
Is this what you just said?
Yes. That is what I said. That's the sacrifice I'm making for my blood sister.
Pascal.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. I'm here for you. It's okay. You still have time. Okay, it's not late. It's okay. Stop crying. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here for you. I keep telling you. This is the time for you to turn a new leaf. Okay?
Okay.
Tessie. 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 Please, once it's time for you to close, just close and go home.
I'm going for Bible study. So make sure you take care of everywhere. Close the shop properly because I don't know when I'll be back.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago? When you had a sister, no, you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other. What happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late. What happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late. You go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago? When you had a sister, no, you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other. What happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late. What happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late.